quick home remedy for baby's cough and cold. Add some water in a saucepan. Take 1 cinnamon stick darchini and a black cardamom bari ilaichi. Let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes. Once you see the water changing its color, add almost a cup of milk in it. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Give this to your baby 3 times a day, but quantity should be less. My daughter is 1 year old, so I give her 4 ounces only. If your baby is younger, then give him her like 2 to 3 ounces, only 3 or 2 times a day. Good luck!